Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol SHMP. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I did this analysis on Friday, so that is where the red line here is coming from. But actually right now this just it's relevant, but it's not relevant because the price obviously made a big move up. So from a presentation standpoint, I want to try to keep this analysis as clean as possible and not have lines and clutter all over the place. So I'm just going to go ahead and use this for the current near-term level, and nothing fancy behind this at all, other than the fact that today the party finally stopped up there at the 56-cent mark. So going into Tuesday, 56 cents will be that newest area of resistance and kind of public enemy number one. So like I said, nothing fancy at all. The price just simply stopped going up there. So that was where the supply finally overwhelmed the demand, and that'll be where that resistance stands as of right now. What about the levels of support? Actually, let me scrunch this up to make sure I'm not missing on anything. There we go. So the first level of support to keep an eye on is going to be right here at the 52-cent mark, and this is what I would call the ideal level. When we say, hey Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? And that would certainly be if the price can indeed hold above 52 cents. Now, if that being said, if the price falls below it, by no means am I saying the entire chart's destroyed or ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price could manage to actually stay up above that area, that would definitely be a huge sign of power going forward. Taking a step back and looking at things from more so the big picture point of view, that is where the purple line comes into play, the famous 50-period simple moving average, keyword being moving. As time goes by, that line is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very basic yet highly effective way to judge the health of the move, this right here being defined as quote-unquote the move, just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full control. The bulls are in full control. However you can best visualize that, that is what is being represented. Again, yeah, staying above 52 would be great, but from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. So all in all, great start to the week. The week is young, still 4 days left, so let's see if the bulls can continue to build upon this momentum or not. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.